Is your IRS notice legit? Let's get into it. I was reading where the IRS has stated that they intend to increase audits on businesses up to 50% in 2021. So let's say you receive an IRS notice or letter in the mail. Well, how can you tell that it's legit? For starters, the IRS uses the United States Postal Service to initiate contact with the taxpayer. The IRS has a search engine on their website, irs.gov, where you can search the letter or notice number so you can compare what you get in the mail to the explanation on the IRS website. Any IRS notice or letter will do two things. One, it will explain the reason for the letter or notice, and two, how you can take care of it. For example, in my example, I entered the IRS notice number CP080. You can see here on the website that this notice is about crediting a payment to the tax account, but the actual tax return has not been received. So if you get a letter or a notice from the IRS and it says, pay me money, but if you put that letter or notice number in the IRS search engine and it says, we need to see your tax return, you know that's a fraudulent letter or notice. So if your company receives a sketchy letter asking for money, make sure the IRS notice received is identical to the one on the irs.gov website. What about an IRS phone call? If you receive a phone call from someone who claims to be with the IRS, don't just pay money based on a phone call. Instead, while that person is on the line, go up to irs.gov and view your tax information on the website. Also, I would review the payment options on the website as well. irs.gov should tell you whether or not you owe anything. Here's a list of what the IRS does not do. The IRS will not demand immediate payment, especially if it's the very first time they've contacted you. The IRS will not force you to purchase a compliance kit. The IRS will not demand a specific payment method. Nor will they ask you to buy gift cards, wire money, nor will they ask for your credit or debit card over the phone. The IRS will request payments be made to the U.S. Treasury or on irs.gov/payments. The IRS will not threaten law enforcement. They won't threaten to call the police or immigration or anybody to come and arrest you. Please understand that the IRS does not have authority to revoke any licenses, nor can the IRS revoke immigration. The IRS will not bully or threaten you in a phone call. According to the IRS website, this is not how they operate. And from a purely professional standpoint, a business owner should not give in to anyone on the phone, no matter who they are, threatening and bullying you to pay them money. The IRS will not send you an email or a text message. The IRS will notify you through the U.S. Postal Service, and that notice will be sent to the last address they have on record. If you don't respond to the IRS, that's when you'll start getting phone calls. Does the IRS make unannounced visits? Yes, they do. But with that being said, don't just allow anyone access into your home or business. Also, take a moment to understand your taxpayers' rights. Okay, let's insert some common sense here. You as a business owner know if you haven't paid taxes, if you haven't filed your corporate taxes, if you have past due taxes, if you owe back taxes and you didn't make payment arrangements, somebody is going to knock on your door. Don't ignore an IRS notice or letter. Stop what you're doing, make the time to figure out if that IRS notice or letter is legit. My next video will discuss best practices as it relates to IRS audits. Have you ever received a fake IRS notice? Let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you want to know more about business operations, business management, human resources, and other topics related to running a business, click on one of those play links. Click on one of these click on the playlist.
One eternity later.
Click on one of these playlists. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe.